Let's welcome on board our chartists as well and figure out what the trade setup for this Friday morning ahead of Diwali is looking like. Kunal, Nooresh, both joining in as always. Nooresh, if I could come to you first. Hi, morning firstly. Seems like it's going to be a bit of a step back after 2 days of consolidation. What supports are you looking out for on the index?
So overall, the cases we are not seeing a major, say, range break. So 19,300 should now act as a support. Earlier, 19,300 was the swing support which we broke, and now again that same level becomes a support going forward as well. So closer to 19,250, 19,300. Same is the case with Bank Nifty. We are seeing a slow drift sideways. We've not made a major move on the uh, benchmark heavyweights, but if you look at the small cap indices, a new 52-week high, a new all-time high, other indices doing well. So time to be stock specific rather than look at the index.
All right, let's find out what's on Kunal's radar then. And Kunal, we're talking about, yes, the market's being range bound, but despite everything else that is going on, it's not a bad move for the broader markets in particular. Already a 2% plus gain this week.
Absolutely, Avan. Good morning. There are two ends of the markets which are playing out. Indices being absolutely sideways. The heavyweight large cap names, we've been discussing this point regularly over the last many days, are not showing any major kind of a bounce or major rally or a trend shaping up for them. But on the other hand, it's not as if the markets are have paucity of stocks which are moving up higher. In fact, the mid cap and the small cap stocks have done exceptionally well. What I also like about the market setup is that in the last 1 or 2 weeks, when this rally has shaped up, you have seen high beta sectors like realty as well as the defensives or the low beta sectors like pharma. Both of them have done reasonably well for themselves. So it's a different textured market, more specific towards individual stocks as well as where the news flow as well as the events are positive for those spaces. I think 90,400 now remains to be an important pivot zone for the index. I believe we may probably fluctuate by 100, 150 points plus minus this range over the next couple of days.